Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you what I'm making for dinner tonight. These are the pork boneless loin chops from my last food bank haul. I seasoned them with garlic powder and this Head Country seasoning original. And I've got olive oil in the skillet. And I'm going to cook that up, and then on the side we're going to have some asparagus spears. This is just from the steamables from the frozen section. I did add a little bit of black pepper on top of the pork, and I'm going to let this cook. For anybody that's new to the channel, I feature items from the food bank that my family receives, and I make a meal, dinner, lunch. Sometimes it's just maybe one item, like this is I have the meat, and then I have the asparagus is something that I purchased. But my family does have a meat, a fruit and vegetable, and then sometimes for dinner we'll have like a sweet, so we may have something sweet that we had from the food bank. But this is just kind of like showing that I do use the items, kind of give any of you, if you need some ideas on what to make with items that you received, if you received some of the similar things, and just give you some ideas on meals or side dishes. Or I'll go ahead and let this cook, and then I'm going to go ahead and steam the asparagus. One seasoning I usually use with pork chops is rosemary, but I'm out of rosemary seasoning, but that's another idea what you can put on it. I also have some lemon pepper, but for now I'm just using the garlic powder and the Head Country and the black pepper. Okay, this is the steamed asparagus from that frozen package. I did add some plant butter for my youngest son. He may or may not like the texture of the asparagus, but I will offer him some mashed potatoes, and then he might have some, probably have some applesauce with it for him, and then I'll decide what fruit the rest of us, my family, will have. Okay, and here are the pork chops. They're all cooked. I like to have them nicely golden brown, and they're completely done. I appreciate you so much for watching, and I will have definitely more videos of the items that I cook using items that I've gotten from the food bank or food pantry. I did cook some of the chicken, baked the chicken, there's two big pieces of chicken. It had the bones in them, and then I seasoned them and baked them in the oven, and we had those the other night. And so tonight we're having the pork chops and the asparagus. And my youngest son, if he didn't like the asparagus, I'll make him some mashed potatoes. And like I said, he'll have some applesauce, and then we'll have the rest of my family have some fruit. But I appreciate you so much for watching, and I hope you have a blessed day.